if you go back, you will remember that all the CTV channels wasn't registering any conversion at all from a UTM perspective, from a last click perspective. MMM was able to catch that because it was not dependent on last click conversions, using a causal regression method to estimate the impact. So it picked up some signal there. So it got pretty interesting for us. When you take all the conversions attributed by the platforms to themselves and stack them up, it's typically more than what you throw as a business. So what we did, so we took this data, put it side by side with the last click data, and we estimate the ROAS as estimated by MMM compared to platform ROAS and UTM ROAS. And what we're now finding is that Facebook, search is weaker than what it's being reported. It's 2.3 versus 3. Facebook's probably a tad stronger, but the big win is CTV. CTV looks like it's 13 ROAS, almost much stronger than any of the other channels in the portfolio. Finally, Michael gets to see which channels are losing you money, which channels are making you money.
This is kind of your decision matrix that we were talking about earlier, but what Madan said was really important. So great, I'm trying to figure out revenue, ROAS, CAC, but ultimately what I care about is drivers staying on the platform. It's the only way I can get that. This matrix of not just taking my ROAS or all those things, but actually looking at the NPV tells me a slightly different story. So looking at through the NPV lens kind of allows me to go through this decision matrix. Now the thing that stands out the most to me is like, wow, CTV is my second most profitable advanced attribution NPV.